Why don't you shut your mouth?
Why?
Because I'm covered in germs. Ew, this is so stinky. Oops. But I will teach you how you should to sneeze.
This is bad.
When we sneeze on people, germs can get on them and make them sick. That's why we should sneeze into a tissue or in our arm, like that.